now, I want to become a housewife. I want, since I was thinking that it sucked to be a girl because you get your period every month, like 7 days, and then you have to get pregnant, all that crap. So I figured I want to be a guy, but then I realized you cannot be a guy, you cannot be a housewife when you're a guy. You have to strive for your family, be the breadwinner. So it's really good that I'm a girl because I can strive to become a housewife. I don't have to work. I just have to get money off my husband. And if I marry rich, I don't have to do anything, and I can just spend my husband's money. So that's what I dream of. I dream to become a housewife. And if not, then a secretary would do. I want to write schedules, and I want to whore myself to the boss, and then eventually spend his money.
Well, of course, I want to get my own car and my own condo perhaps. Very limited lang to material things na ngayon. And, I mean, honestly, yun lang talaga ngayon.
Parang ako lungkot nga kasi yun, dream ko. Parang mag-graduate na lang at yumaman. Siguro, well, when people grow up, we realize a lot of things. So, just get a job and get rich.
Well, dream ko ngayon is to actually to get best both worlds, pero actually, you know, continue with my filmmaking career and actually be successful in doing it. And of course, yung another passion of mine, which is yung video art or video installation. Sana ma-pursue ko din. And hopefully, after a few years, mas marami pa akong projects na ma-pull off.
Well, to get my thesis done. Tapos na yung defense kanina, so yay.
Definitely gusto ko maging magaling na researcher. I don't know yet kung business, market, corporate type. Pero yung tipong research na think tank. Gusto ko makapunta ng Japan. That's why recently I applied for a scholarship there. Sana matanggap ako.
Gusto ko nang graduate. April. Gusto ko nang makapagtrabaho sa isang gusto ko magtrabaho na may malaking kita para maging independent. Gusto ko magkaroon ng family. Gusto ko magkaroon ng stable family. Gusto ko rin dreams ko pa. Gusto ko magkaroon ng sarili production. Papatatuan.
It's hard to say if you're just one step closer to your dream now. Because now I want to be a photographer one day. A cinematographer as well.
It's always a dream. It's not to be famous. It's not to be rich, but to actually feel something. I guess that is actually being happy. Yung self-fulfillment na doesn't come from, well, kaya siya self-fulfillment na hindi nanggagaling sa ibang tao, I guess. Para siyang, yun nga, masaya ako sa ginagawa mo.